Good morning, children. Welcome back to your English 2 class. I am Ronu Sen Gupta, your English 2 teacher, and we were studying about the chapter number 2, that is Bye Bite. We have already seen it is the story of an old woman, Ruma Chaudhary, and her dog Bite. So, Ruma Chaudhary's daughter Kuku and Suku, they gifted Ruma Chaudhary a ticket to Goa. Okay, so she was not able to decide that she should go or not, but finally she decides that she should go. Okay, because her life had been boring, of responsibilities. Okay, first for the growing family and then for the aging dog, and now she wants a break from her uh, daily life. Okay, now she wants to go to Goa. After this, what happened? See, Bite Chaudhary lumbered up to give Mrs. Chaudhary a lick. Lumbered means what? Lumbered means moved in a slow, heavy way to give Mrs. Chaudhary a lick. As you know, what the dogs do with their tongue. Okay. So, Mrs. Chaudhary burst into tears. Oh, how can I have such thoughts about the only one who has stood by me all these years? Now, when Bite gave her a lick out of love, showing love for her, Mrs. Chaudhary, she burst into tears and she thought that why such thoughts are coming about the dog, that she should leave her and go. Why? Because this dog had been with her for many years. When her children are not with her, her husband has expired. So she has decided now to go. So she burst into tears to thrust him into a pet shelter and go holidaying in humans. She just thought that to send Bite in the pet shelter and then she will go for holidaying, it is inhuman. She put her arm around Bite Chaudhary's neck. Okay, the fur was thinning. Okay, the teeth were, let us turn on the next page. The teeth were decaying. Why? Why the fur is thinning and why the teeth are decaying? Because he is growing old now. The eyes had developed cataract, but she could hear the heart beating, thumb, thumb beating for her. Okay, so these are the symptoms of being old. No, she would cancel her trips. She would call Dr. Khanna and cancel the pickup. Now she thought that she should cancel her trip and she should call Dr. Khanna now and cancel the pickup. Okay, because the doctor had sent the van to pick up Bite. Just then the doorbell rang. As she thought that she would call Dr. Khanna, just then the bell rang. The vet's assistant had already arrived. The clinic van was waiting in the street. So the clinic van had already arrived to take Bite. Before Mrs. Chaudhary could say a word, Bite Chaudhary followed the assistant out. He put up no resistance as he was hauled into the van by expert hands. Now, this time, Mrs. Chaudhary thought when they will take Bite, he will not go with them. He will just resist. But there is no refusal to accept. Resistance means there is no refusal to accept, as he howled means pulled into the van by expert hand. He did not resist at all. He just went with them. Okay. Mrs. Chaudhary followed him out as if to stop him. Okay. Mrs. Chaudhary followed them out when the vet's assistant was taking Bite into the van. She just came out to stop them, but she was a little athletic and slow, and by the time she came to the road, the driver had already started on. Okay, because she had pain in her joints, so by the time she came to the road, the driver had already started off the van. and all she could hear was a familiar howl fading into a distance. She could hear her dog bite, howling, and it faded away because the van went off into a distance. After the customary howl, Bite Chaudhary settled down in the van and looked out at the world moving with him. Now, first, as he was going from Mrs. Ruma Chaudhary far away, uh, so he howled first, okay, as the dogs usually do, and then after that, he settled down in the van and he looked out at the world moving with him. Now he was enjoying the ride. Oh, what fun this is! Well, Ma, I do feel a little guilty leaving you alone. Now, while he was going in the van, he was thinking on himself that what fun this is. And now he is telling Ma, Mrs. Ruma Chaudhary, that I am feeling very guilty leaving you alone and going. Okay. I hope I hope you will manage by yourself. Now, Bite is thinking that he is feeling guilty that he is leaving Ma alone, and he thinks that he hopes that his mother will manage by herself. But the fact is, I am so glad to have this little break. Now, this as Ruma Chaudhary thought that this will depress the dog, but this did not happen. The dog is feeling glad to have this little break. Life has been so boring for me these last 10 years. Now the dog is saying that, Bite is saying that life had been boring for him for the last 10 years. Boring, guarding you and keeping you company, howling every time you left, greeting you every time you came back, just to let you feel there was somebody to love you and miss you. So the dog is saying that life had been boring for me for the last 10 years. I had been guarding you, keeping you company. Every time you left me, I just howled, and every time I greeted you when you came back. And now it is just to make you feel that somebody is there to love you and miss you, and I have done it all. But if you only knew how dull life had been. Now he is telling that if my mom would be knowing that how dull life had been doing these things of guarding and greeting and howling. Okay, so next, I know you have taken me out for walks and given me the right food and even taken me for my inoculations, but you have not played with me, Ma. You haven't romped with me or scolded me. He is telling that, Ma, you have taken me out for walks, you have given me right food, and even taken for my inoculations, but you haven't played with me. You haven't romped with me. Romped means played in carefree manner. You did not do so. Okay. Neither you scolded me the way Baba, Kuku, and Suku used to. The way Baba, Kuku, and Suku used to play with me, you did not play with me like that. I have seen you mopping for them. Means he had seen Ruma Chaudhary getting depressed for her children and father. Okay. Each night of all these 10 years, he had seen Ruma Chaudhary getting depressed that she is not having her daughters with her, neither her husband was with her. So, and I have also mobbed with you, means the dog has also got depressed along with her because he was also missing Kuku, Suku, and Baba. Now, let me have some time for myself. Okay. Sorry to feel this way, Ma, but I am actually looking forward to that doggy smell and the smell of antiseptics. It will be a change. So, this dog also wants a change in his life. Okay. So, he is feeling sorry that he is feeling this way, leaving his mother alone at home. He wants to go to that doggy smell and the smell of antiseptics in the vet's clinic. Okay, it will be a change for him. Bite Chaudhary's howl changed into excited yelps as the van speeded away. As the van speeded away, Bite Chaudhary first he howled and then it changed into excited yelps, means a sudden short cry out of happiness At home, Ruma Chaudhary too resumed her packing again, though she kept on muttering bye bye to herself. She then returned back because the van had already went and she could not stop them. So she returned to her packing again, and then she kept on talking to herself that bye bye to herself. Okay, so this is the story of this dog, that both the old lady as well as the old dog, they want a change in their life because life had been boring all these years. Okay, guarding each other, taking care of each other, taking care of the feelings, about each other. Now they want a change. So this is all about bye bye. You read the chapter and already meanings I have shown you. Okay, you write this in your copy. This is your homework, and learn the meanings. And in the next video, we will discuss the question answers. Okay, till then, take care. Bye and thank you, children.